Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it is in the narrow pattern, and you can see that if the price keeps sustaining this particular level, which is now trading at a level of 33.67, what we can see, there can be a further rise because this pattern is supporting this particular trend, and chances are high that it can move towards 33.91. And if the price keep moving above this level, it can touch a level of 3400. If the price keep moving above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, but if it started forming a swing and goes below this particular level and try to go towards a level of 33.45, then we can see there can be a further fall, and we can see it can move towards 33.10, and then this particular pattern will support a downside, and then we can see this trend will break towards this particular level and a further fall can be seen in the price of gold. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, let's see how the dollar index is moving. See, as you can see that the price is continuously moving upside, and you have seen there is a sharp rise the previous week because we have seen the labor data was there. That is where we have seen the price has moved so high. Okay, and now there is a clear pattern showing towards an upside because a pattern is being created. So as soon as the price started going above a level of 3400, probability of further upside can be seen. As of now, it is trading at a level of 33.67. See, dollar index plays an important role because it is inversely related to gold. Okay, so when the dollar index rises, price comes down. So when the dollar index moves down, we see the gold price goes up. Let's see how the dollar index is moving. If we look at the chart of dollar index, it is trying to go down, but for today we have seen it is trying to go high, and now U pattern is being formed. So if the price keeps sustaining above $98.9, which is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level. The price keep rising above a level of $99, a further upside can be seen towards 99.3 and then to a level of 100. And if the price moving above this level is rising above that level, it can go above a level of 100.5, and from there 100.9 also we can see. Then there will be a zone breakout, so it can touch a level of 101.5 to a level of 101. We can see a level of 102.5, and then a further upside can be seen towards $102.5. Suppose if the price started moving below this level, it can go further down towards 97.8, and from there it can move below $97.2. Then there is a probability of further fall, we can see towards 96.3, and fall can be seen. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall can be there. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, it can touch a level of around 33.77, which is already being tested. So we can see the price can rise towards 33.93, and if the price moving over this level, probability of going towards 33.98 we can see. And if the price moving over this level, it can move towards 34.03, which is already weak. So we can see the price can rise towards 34.36, and if it that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards a level of $34.54. Then we can see it can touch a level of $34.54, and then a further upside can be seen. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if it started falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen for, you can say, at a level of next support, that is 33.54. And once the price falling below this level, it can touch today's today's low of around $33.42, and then a further fall can be seen towards 33.37. And if the price falling below that level, we can see it can move towards a level of 33.21. Okay, and then a further fall can be seen towards a level of, it started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 33.11, and from there a further downfall can be seen towards 3300. And as soon as the price started falling below this level, a further fall can be seen. Then it can touch a level of 32.85, then to a level of 32.80, and this trend will support a downside towards 32.68. Okay, and then a further fall can be seen. So there can be